So welcome back, everyone. I wanted to come up with a great idea of something to do this year for fall. Last year I did the 4 weeks of fall with At Home with Zane, and I shared with you different DIYs and home decorating suggestions for the fall season. I did one each week for 4 weeks. And this year I wanted to come up with something that would be a little bit more unique than the way I did it last year. And so what I'm doing this year is still the 4 weeks of fall with At Home with Zane. And each week for the next 4 weeks on Tuesday, I will upload a video. But what I've decided to do, and I think this is going to be a lot of fun, we're going to go back into the archives, and I am going to share with you some of my home decorating ideas and DIYs for the fall season from years past. So not only is this going to be a lot of fun because perhaps you'll find a new DIY or a decorating idea that you like for fall, it's also going to give you an opportunity to see how far I have come. It's almost as if you watch a Martha Stewart video from when she very first started, and you watch a current video of where she is today. Even though her content was still just as good back then, there's just that difference in how far along you come the longer you work on your art form, and also the lighting is different and everything about it is completely different. So I think you're really going to enjoy seeing some of these previous videos that I did for fall decorating. Some of them go back 2 years, some of them go back 1 year, but a lot of them are really dug very deep into the archives, so I'm sure that some of you have never seen them before. So the one I'm going to share with you today is where I decided to use a ceramic pumpkin to create a vignette or a display using artificial hydrangeas. And I thought it turned out beautifully. I loved it. I thought it was a great DIY. Maybe you can take something away from it and create your own. But I'm going to show you the video now, so let's take a look. Hi YouTube, it's Zane here from At Home with Zane, and today's DIY is going to be a chic fall pumpkin. So although fall is right around the corner, it's not quite here yet, but if you're like me, I love fall. It's my favorite time of the year. And so I love the season and the scent and the color changes, and so I'm really looking forward to it. It's also a time when you can really change up your home accessories. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a chic piece for your home decor. First off, I have this glass pumpkin. It is a glass pumpkin I got from the dollar store, and it was clear glass. I simply spray painted it with Kills spray paint, and then I spray painted it heirloom white, and so it's got a nice creamy look to it. A little tip is don't paint the inside if you would still want to use it for fresh flowers. I've chosen to use artificial flowers for this arrangement, but I still wanted the ability to use real flowers, and so I didn't spray paint the inside, and that's just a little tip. So we've got our pumpkin here that's going to be a piece of our chic fall decor, and then I've chosen to use hydrangeas. And so some people associate hydrangeas with summer or with spring, but they really are a versatile flower, and they're really beautiful, and they can be used all year round. So for this particular piece, I'm going to be using our pumpkin, some artificial hydrangeas, you could certainly use real ones, and then this milk glass cake stand. So this is so simple. All you do is take your hydrangeas and start creating an arrangement. And there is no rhyme or reason to this. You just want to make sure that wherever you piece your hydrangeas, that everywhere is going to be nice and full. So the first thing that we're going to do is just start dropping in our hydrangeas here. And I like it to look really plentiful. I think the more that you use, the fuller it's going to look. And so be generous with it whenever you're creating yours. And again, it's just taking them, dropping them in wherever you see a spot that is bare, and making it nice and full. I have a mixture here of cream and what would be like a cream and sort of green color. So it's really a nice look. I also left the leaves on mine because I think it creates a little more fullness, and it also makes it look a little more lifelike. So now that we have all of our pieces in here and our creation is complete, I'm just going to adjust some of the flowers here. I'm simply going to take my cake stand, place it on the center, and now I have this beautiful hydrangea fall pumpkin that's going to look really pretty and really chic in my autumn decor. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave your comments below. You can visit my website, www.AtHomeWithZane.com. We'll look for you the next time, and remember, it's your home. Create a space you'll truly love. So I hope you enjoyed this. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I have several videos that go way back that I'm going to share with you, and some of them I thought were really very interesting when I did them. They went over very well, and again, you may have the opportunity to find a new DIY or decor idea for your fall decorating this year, or you may just get you know, a good chuckle out of how far I've come in terms of my video recording and the way that I do my videos now versus the way that I did them back then. So I hope you enjoyed this. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Every Tuesday, the 4 weeks of fall, I'm actually calling it Fall Back, which is, you know, falling back to my previous fall decor. So it's Fall Back with Fall, 4 weeks of fall with At Home with Zane. So keep your eye out for them. They're going to be out every Tuesday. So I hope you all have a wonderful day, and we'll look for you the next time.